And we back, ladies and gentlemen. It's your man Little Peso. Got an insane unboxing today. Don't know what's inside. My man just copped a pair of Jordans and he said, I need you to unbox them, let me know if they're fly or not, and make the video. So here we go. Let's see what's inside, ladies and gentlemen. Shout out to my guy, always sharing sneakers regularly at least. And here we go. Let's see what's inside. It's funny because did he get these from StockX? I don't even remember. I sent him an empty box from StockX and he sent it back to me in the same box. That's where that came from. Oh yeah, real quick. I know you see the money over here. Like, what is the dude doing? Is he flossing? No, I'm not. Giveaway. This video gets to 100 likes. We're giving away $100. All you gotta do, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, drop a comment, say done. Everybody who comments is gonna get a Not a Sneakerhead sticker pack. And then one lucky person, when we get to 100 likes, is gonna get the $100. Don't worry, you're not getting singles. I'll get you the cash in the digital form, all right? So let's see what we got here. All right, 12.5s, dunks, highs, retros. Let's see, white, midnight navy. All right, let's see if he got the fire. Ooh. Yeah, these actually, I ain't gonna front. I'm feeling these, so shout out to my man. So already off top, there's no way I'm not gonna like these because these look just like my Jordan 1 Obsidians. The difference between Dunks and Jordan 1s and Air Force 1s, minimal. I know you sneakerheads out there are like, yo, you're crazy. This is like the Obsidian colorway for Jordan 1s, so they're fire. Looks like my man copped these. Yeah, he copped these from the Flight Club. All right, so this is my first review from Flight Club. I guess he couldn't get these retail. I didn't even realize that when we were talking. You know what it is on the Dunk colorways, the way the color blocking is set up. All right, so we got, this is, I mean, they're not calling it Obsidian, but I'm calling it Obsidian. On the upper, we got the white midsole with the blue outsole. You already know how I feel about the dark colored outsoles. That's always legit because that's gonna help you keep your fire for years, and then obviously just keeping them clean is another thing. I love when Nike does this. It's the weirdest thing, but the random off-color branding on the inside makes no sense, but I love it because it makes it feel a little bit better. Obviously, let me get the Flight Club tag out of here. I think these are fire. The only thing I would love if these came with a lace flip. I don't know. I don't see extra laces. There were no extra laces in the box. I think that would be the only thing that would make these fire. But yo, me and my man, we gotta go hit the streets one day. He can rock his Dunks. I can rock my Obsidians. And listen, we kill a game with these. So he's like, yo, be honest. What do you think? If they're trash, let me know they're trash. These are fire. No doubt about it. Shout out to my man for getting me the new work. It's your man, Little Peso. I'm not a sneakerhead. If you think these are trash, let me know. If they're fire, let me know. And hey, get this to 100 likes, you could get $100. And even if you just comment, you can get the free Not a Sneakerhead sticker pack. Just hit like, subscribe, and say you're done in the comments, and we're good.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching Not a Sneakerhead. You can subscribe here, or you can watch a video that I've selected just for you. Make sure you keep your sneakers clean, and have a great day.